Hey guys, my name is Jesús Molina, God bless you all, and I am bringing you a special quick tip. What is improvisation about? We know this huge topic over the years, but this is more simple than what you think. Improvisation basically is bringing out your soul, what you want to say, what you want to tell with your music, what story you want to tell with no words. Basically, it's taking all your feelings out and putting out in a beautiful motive. Let's choose a motive. This C A G F, ta, 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 ta. And I start improvising. Dun, dun, with F scale, nothing else. Ba, ba, da, ba, da, ba, da, dun, dun. You can give it as much as variation you want. Let's change it. New motives. B flat, C, F, A. Now two notes, F and B flat. This beautiful arpeggio. All your melodies, you gotta be able to sing it. It doesn't matter if you're a piano player or guitar player. If you cannot sing what you're playing, it means that you're playing too technical. More with the soul. Take it everywhere. 6th grade. 4. 3rd. 4. 7. It's like literally you can take all motives to whatever place you want to go, but we need resource for that. How do we get the resources? How do we learn all of these beautiful colors and all of this, like the material that's gonna make me able to speak this way? All you gotta make sure that you have right now is your scales, everything in order. You gotta make sure that you have all your chords going on in every single key. That's so important, because if you don't have the full control of every key, every tonality, because every single key is a new, completely different word in the piano. It's not like the guitar though, like it's like we gotta do a lot of things. All you gotta do is put everything together, start opening your mind for new things, and if you wanna see more, come and see these beautiful chords in Pianote.